Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get the fuzz running once again. Let's do it. Alright guys, as you can see, we don't have a dump pipe on the GT35 or we don't have the screwing pipe on the wastegate. We need to clean up that dump pipe, which is here. So let's get stuck into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to get the wire wheel on the drill and get all this sealant off. Now this V-band does not match the backside of the GT35 Turbo. It's very odd size. However, this one obviously is the matching pair with the other one, so we'll bop that up. That one should be fine. We'll see how we go with this. Hopefully we don't need any sealant, but we'll see on the first start up if it's smoky or not, and if it needs some sealant. As you can tell, it actually took quite a bit. Now the angle probably changed just a slight bit in changing the up pipe, so fingers crossed it's alright. Now I did have that bottom one tight when I was doing the top one, so maybe that's why. Maybe I should tighten this top one up first, because we know this one will lock in properly, so we'll do that. We'll clean that up, get that back on, start her up and see how we go. Alright, so there was actually quite a bit on there, so I've actually cut it off with the blade first. That's all that's on the ground there. And now I'll take to it with the wire wheel. Alright, we're all cleaned up. Let's get this on and tightened up and let's get it started. And hopefully we don't have any oil coming out everywhere. Just went to put the clamp on and it's pretty messed up, so we'll clean that up as well. Alright guys, so the exhaust is on and we all are squared up on those V-bands, which it wasn't on this one before, so they're both nice and square. Haven't checked the coolant. We have lost a bit of coolant. Checked the oil, we've got enough oil, so we'll just top up the old coolant and we'll get it started up for a little bit. It's going to be a bit smoky at first because there is all the cleaners and probably a little bit of oil still in the exhaust, but the main thing is we don't have any leaks up the front here. Alright guys, for now we are topped up with coolant. I'm not going to record much outside because next door's got some music going on. He's just chilling out on a Friday night around his little fire there. It's a little fire pit, having a drink. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? But yeah, I don't want to smoke him out too much. I know it sounds funny because he's got a fire going, but all good. Start it up, see if we've got any oil leaks. Probably 30 seconds maximum. See how that oil drain is, and yeah, we'll go from there. Hopefully we'll go for a drive tomorrow. Alright guys, so I haven't got the external gate dump pipe on yet. That's fine. Still got it jacked up so we can see if anything's happening under there. We'll just open up the garage door and we'll give her a start up. Alright, here we go. On a ridge. That's oil. Alright, that was oil feed. So we'll try and tighten that up. We'll try again. Alright, let's try that again. Gee. Alright guys, so it seems that the brass crush washers on the oil feed, I've already used them, which you shouldn't do. So I'm looking around, I find this universal thing that I got from Autobarn, some O-rings. Like, I thought I got more of these. I'm looking around, having a look through here. I found this kit. I don't even remember ordering this. It's a member kit. I must have got it when I got the rebuild kit. Yeah, we got some crush washers. So let's fit them. See if she leaks. If it doesn't leak from there, it's good. If we're still leaking, that's not good. Oh, these are a better fit than those ones, so let's see how they go on the Banjo. Alright, they are perfect on the Banjo. They are the proper ones for this application. So let's get that on, tighten it up, and start it up again. I'm a bit suspicious about this bigger puddle a little bit further back. There's a little one here, unless it's spreading out over the cross member. But let's see. Right, here we go again. Knock, 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 knock. That's that, boys. Oh, she's still leaking. Alright, we are looking a lot better now. Now we do have an exhaust leak around this V-band, so we'll be putting some sealant on it. The oil down here, this is all just residual oil just dripping down because it's starting to vibrate and move things around. You can tell. I need some engine mounts. Yeah, we'll clean that up, see how it looks in the morning. Alright guys, I'm pretty happy with that. So what I'll do is I'll just clean up the oil down here, and we'll come back next episode, or the next episode on the Forester. Might do a couple of things in between, but yeah, we'll clean that up and get her out. We'll put some sealant just on this one here, and I'll probably get the air gun onto it tomorrow just to blow out some of the coolant that I've spilt around. And yeah, we'll let it warm up for a while, burn off everything, and we'll take for a drive next time on the Forester episode. So guys, if you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button, and if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'll catch you next episode on the Forester when we take it for a drive. So yes guys, it was just a kinked oil return line. Thanks for watching. Bye.